Establishing connections with your target market is an important aspect of marketing. Events are one of the most common ways to form connections in the present day. You can get your message out in no time. Moreover, it increases the overall level of audience engagement. This video delivers 10 successful methods to get more audience for events. Before we proceed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. That little notification bell will also help you to be always informed about our latest updates. Event marketing is an effectual way to increase your audience for events. It offers a convenient and structured way to sell passes of events. Successful event marketing involves offering affordable tickets with flexibility in options, choosing a prime location for the event, inculcating creativity, etc. Following are 10 effective methods to increase the audience for events. Number 1. Get your audience for events through celebrities. Using celebrities for your event is a source of good publicity. You can connect with the fan base of the celebrity. The fan base would contain numerous opportunities to get an audience for events. For example, organize a popular singer's concert in your event. You can endorse a celebrity to make him or her promote your event. The cost of such endorsement will vary depending upon the nature of the event and the celebrity chosen. Number 2. Use newsletters and emails. You can use newsletters and direct emails to spread the word about your event. Send newsletters and emails informing the target audience about the event details. Put in relevant as well as catchy content in the newsletters and emails. If we send 10 block emails monthly, with an average click-through rate of 2 to 3%, we can easily get a good number of leads. However, the database maintained should be appropriate. Therefore, good content enhances the chances to get more audience for events. Number 3. Seek publicity to get your audience for events. Publicity requires good contacts with media channels. You should maintain good relations with magazines and news channels. They can become your partners, which can help you to seek publicity for the events. For example, you can form a good story related to your event. Thereafter, the media channels can publish or broadcast your story, as such things generate interest in the audience. They are a source of good event marketing. Moreover, publicity increases the chances to sell passes of events. Number 4. Organize contests. Contests are a source of building enthusiasm among the target audience. They invoke a feeling of competition. For example, you can organize a contest on the campus for a college event. It will generate interest among the students to participate. Moreover, particularly the youth will be targeted by the event. If there's no restriction in the target audience, you can go for organizing contests at the malls. You can keep free tickets for the event, as a reward. This will enhance your event's creativity level. Alongside, it is an easy way to get audience for events. Number 5. Use promotional tools to get the audience for events. You can use everyday promotional tools to grab the attention of the target audience. The conventional promotional tools basically include newspaper ads, radio ads, and hoardings. Advertise in newspapers and on the radio. Use the concept of clean graffiti to capture the eye of the local people. Brochures, flyers, and pamphlets can be distributed among the target audience. You may select a good advertising agency to execute the advertising campaign. Structured promotion of events under event marketing is a must to sell tickets of events. Number 6. Associate more partners with your events. The more partners you associate with your events, the greater is the network. A great network ensures a wide reach in the target market. You can spread the word about your event through a chain of associated partners. Word of mouth is of great relevance in the world of marketing. Therefore, associating partners is an effective method to increase the audience for events. Number 7. Get your audience for events through direct mails. Direct mails involve sending out promotional materials by business organizations via courier. The promotional materials include postcards, brochures, catalogs, letters, etc. It is an old-fashioned strategy, but it is more effective than the present-day technological means. You can directly mail to the prospective audience for your events. By receiving direct mails, people show a high level of engagement. It is a personalized and effective method to connect with the target audience, in order to sell passes of events. Number 8. Approach participants of other events. Keep a track of participants of events of the same category as your event. Majority of such participants would be interested in your event, if they're approached in the right way. Contact them through emails and text messages containing information about your event. Also, you can attend other events in the same category to form networks. Such networks can be a source of good business opportunities. Number 9. Associate through online event websites. Maintaining link-ups through online event websites is a source of getting a great number of people for your event. The online event websites display information about your events. Usually, people go through such websites to decide where to go. For example, you can provide information about your event on Book My Show, Mera Events, etc. Such websites provide free of cost listings for events on the websites. A specific percentage is fixed on the individual ticket sales. However, the only disadvantage is that the websites will pay you after the event gets over. Number 10. Use social media platforms. Create a page for your event on Facebook. Maintain an active social presence through that page by regularly posting about the event. This will keep the target audience up to date. They will know what all is going to be at the event. Form groups on LinkedIn. LinkedIn provides credible and recognized collaborators. You can become a part of such groups and make use of the network of the collaborators. Directly put up the ticket purchasing options on the Facebook page as well as the LinkedIn group. All the points mentioned in this video form the basis of productive event marketing. Effective implementation of the points will render you an easy way to sell tickets of events. The key to the concept of get the audience for events lies within approaching the audience in a tactical and convincing manner. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share it further with your friends. Waiting to hear your views in the comments section.